to laugh. That's bad.
Man.
You guys want to hear some two-step?
Do I have some news for you guys?
Church bell.
There's the first sign of a news. Okay, so welcome back, everybody. Today's video, we got no installs, but we're getting things installed. So, what we got going on is Kevin has his full exhaust system for the Jenny. We got it at the back seat right now in the trunk. So we got full ISR, catback, turbo back, O2 housing, test pipes, basically everything. So we have the full exhaust system, and instead of us installing it and doing a tutorial, we're actually taking the car to BTR, Blood Type Racing, over at, where's the Naperville? Glenview. Over in Glenview. And
My boys.
yeah, so we're having them install it because as soon as you install the exhaust, we kind of want to do a tune right away and not drive the car. So they're gonna put the exhaust on, and they're gonna do a what's it called, alpha speed tune. They're gonna do an alpha speed tune on the car. So you know, we're gonna get launch control, two-step, burbles, pops,
torque gain,
power,
better response,
some stickers. Yeah, so we're driving there right now. It's gonna be very loud, so we're gonna have to get used to the drone once it comes in, because it's not gonna be as quiet as it is now.
That's true.
So
You can already hear the drilling.
yeah, right. We got everything back there. Kevin's bank account's going to zero today.
Might have to.
Oh boy. Well, we have arrived to our destination.
Our destination.
Man, I like that wrap on that Mini. Ooh, damn, bro. Damn, that Jenny, bro.
06. Alright, I'm gonna do a drift right here.
And we have arrived to BTR Blood Type Racing. Okay, so everything is done.
I don't know how to get out of here.
Stock one's back there. Oh my god, that is loud.
I'm not used to
Exhaust
this.
and tune. Oh wow, that is loud. Yeah,
There's too much shit.
yeah, definitely a lot louder now. My god. You got a little pop back there, you hear that? Oh my god! Damn, bro! Holy shit! Damn!
That'll be fun later on.
Damn, that sounds very good.
Your lights are
Holy shit.
That's all you're getting. That was super pop. No pun intended. I'm not doing that again. Yeah, we gotta get the fuck out of here. The cops are on their way. There was a kid he's standing right there and he went inside right away.
Oh my god.